In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube 60 FPS lagging on Google Chrome. If high frame rate videos feel choppy or drop frames in Chrome, this walkthrough will help you clean up the browser, rule out extension conflicts, and adjust a key performance setting. Start in Chrome and open the menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. From there, open Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center, where we can make a few targeted changes. In Settings, head to Privacy and Security. We'll start by clearing junk that can slow playback. Choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog, pick a time range. Selecting all time is the most thorough. Make sure cached images and files is checked. You can include cookies and other site data if you're comfortable signing back into websites afterward. When you're ready, click Delete Data. This removes old cache that can cause playback hiccups or mismatched video settings. Next, open Extensions. You can find it from the left sidebar or by entering the Extensions page from Chrome's menu. On the Extensions page, toggle every extension off to disable them temporarily. Extensions that touch video, audio, or ad filtering can interfere with smooth 60 FPS playback, so this quick blanket disable lets us test Chrome in a clean state without uninstalling anything. Return to the Settings tab. Now go to System. Here, turn off the option to use hardware acceleration when available, effectively disabling graphics acceleration. Some graphics drivers and GPUs don't play nicely with Chrome at 60 frames per second. Turning this off pushes Chrome to use a more stable rendering path. After you change this, Chrome may prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and allow it so the change takes effect. With those adjustments made, try a 60 FPS YouTube video again. If playback is smooth, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time to identify any culprit, keeping the rest disabled until you find the one that triggers stutter. If you still see lag, you can leave hardware acceleration off or experiment with turning it back on later if your drivers are updated. That's it. By cleaning cached data, temporarily disabling extensions, and adjusting graphics acceleration, you give Chrome the best shot at steady 60 FPS on YouTube.